welcome back to my channel. I'm Ria Jose and this is Just a Life TV. And today we are unboxing a package from one of my favorite brands, REALME. So if you want to know what's inside this box, keep on watching. I'm not too sure if I'm opening the right box because I thought this is the box that I was expecting from REALME that I know the contents of, but I received a larger box like a few days after I received the first box. So I'm not too sure which one is actually the one that I'm supposed to be unboxing for a review. A few days ago, REALME Tech Life just welcomed their first partner brand here in the Philippines, which is DIZO. And DIZO is all about being different. Today we are going to see and get acquainted with some of the products that they launched in the Philippines. So let's start unboxing now because it's very exciting. I'm quite sure that there are already a few bloggers and content creators who posted about this, but I hope that you're still here to watch my own unboxing and to know some of the features of these products. These products were already launched and they are already available via some REALME concept stores nationwide. These are now available at the DIZO flagship store on Lazada and also via some authorized dealers and distributors on Shopee. The links to those and more information will be down below. I already blogged and posted about this on Technomaria.com, so go give that a look as well. So what I like about REALME, they offer affordable gadgets which are practical, designed with not just aesthetic in mind, but more importantly, functionality, catering to specific needs of specific users. And again, they are very much affordable but of high quality, very dependable. As you can see, I use several REALME products. The introduction of a new brand, DIZO, which they believe will fit in right into their ecosystem and would also deliver the same quality, is very exciting to me. If I am not mistaken, most DIZO products are a little bit more affordable than REALME products, but all have the same quality. And this is my DIZO box. Some important key points, if you're wondering: DIZO products work with the REALME Link app. You can definitely control and make better use of all your DIZO gadgets using the REALME Link app. If you haven't downloaded that yet, the link to where you can download it from the Play Store and the App Store will be down below. Ta-da! We have here a message and 3 gadgets. Let's read the message first. Hey Squad, DIZO, the first ever sub-brand in the REALME Tech Life ecosystem, is finally launching in the Philippines. As one of our valued media partners, we are excited to share with you some DIZO products that you can try out for you to know what the brand is all about. We hope that you can spread the word by unboxing this on your social media pages and websites starting February 7. This box obviously arrived late because I'm based in Davao. We can't wait to hear your thoughts about this exciting new brand and we are hoping for your continued support. Thank you and take care. Hashtag be different. Hashtag DIZOPH. So if you want to see more posts about the DIZO brand and DIZO products, you can check out the hashtags be different and DIZOPH. The first one is the DIZO GoPods D. The product code for this one is DA2002. So the DIZO GoPods D, again, the features are here at the back. DIZO GoPods D TWS earphone has 24 hours of long-lasting battery, 10mm large bass boost driver, 110 ms super low latency, and you can instantly connect it with instant connection. It has environmental noise cancellation for when you're using it for calls, and finally, it has intelligent touch controls. DIZO D is available in white and in black. Let's open this one. Aside from the stuff that I'm unboxing today, DIZO also has phones available and accessories like a USB-C type cable and such stuff. Again, all the details will be on my blog. It's small. Ayan siya. I got the white one. It's compact and quite smaller than some of the earbuds that I use. It's just this one. The case is already the charger. So it's a charging case. So this is how it looks like. Ang ganda niya, white. And then there's a charging cable, extra buds tips, if I'm not mistaken, protective cover. GoPods D has deep and rich bass thanks to its built-in 10mm driver with a bass boost plus. It supports Bluetooth 5 for high transmission speeds and a reliable signal. It automatically connects to your phone when you pick it up, and you can listen to your music and answer phone calls even when you're on the go because it is lightweight and has an ergonomic design. So it's comfortable to wear all day long. This one naman is the DIZO GoPods Neo. Product code for this one is DA2105. It kinda looks similar. Neo is just available in deep blue. First off, the most noticeable difference between the two are the colors. I've already shared with you the features of GoPods D. For the GoPods Neo, of course, it also has some features that we must talk about. The features are over here on the sides, if you're wondering, and over here. First off, it has 88 ms super low latency, so that's very good if you're gonna use this for streaming or for gaming. And then it has a transparency mode and dual mic noise cancellation for calls, similar to the other one, but the other one is environmental noise cancellation. And then it also has active noise cancellation, 28 hours total playback, and 10mm dynamic bass booster. So let's open the GoPods Neo. So these are the GoPods Neo. These are the buds and this is the charging case. And then inside the box, you also get, of course, just like the other one, you get the manual and the warranty card. And of course, the protective tips and the charging cable. Conversations with your loved ones are made better and clearer with the GoPods Neo. So it features active noise cancellation to block ambient sounds, and when you switch to transparency mode, it helps you listen to sounds in your environment. It will also allow you to still listen to whatever is streaming on your GoPods while you are conversing with other people as well. So that's a good use as well. And you can enjoy disturbance-free calls and meetings with a dual mic noise cancellation. For example, you're using it for a meeting, online meeting, and other stuff like those. That's a very good feature. If you are not a heavy user, a single charge can last up to 2 weeks. Again, 28 hours of playback. That's very long already. More than an entire day. This has longer battery life and lower latency. The large bass boosters for both are just the same. These are just about the same size lang. And even the buds are almost the same size lang din. But with a slight difference sa mga bevels is their Lazada store. GoPods D wireless is only 999 pesos. Neo is 1,999. It's more affordable, but the features are almost the same. But of course, this one has lower latency and longer battery life. That's it for the two GoPods that I got today from DIZO. And I'd like to move forward to the gadget that I am most excited about. Don't get me wrong, guys. I'm excited about the GoPods because I've been heavily relying on pods lately. So the final item in the box is the DIZO Watch 2. As you already know, I already used the REALME Watch 2. Ito yon. Hindi ko siya sinuot today. This is the DIZO Watch 2. Model code is DW2118. This is part of their Smart Care line of products. When we say Smart Care, it means these are health and fitness products that you can use to help you in your fitness journey and to help you take care of yourselves as well. DIZO Watch 2 smartwatch is convenient to use. It can monitor and track your health 24/7 wherever you go. It has an oxygen level monitor, a heartbeat monitor, and other monitors that will help you take care of yourself and monitor your activities through the day. And this is in the classic black color. So these are the features of the product. It has a 4.3 cm or 1.69 inch bright full touchscreen and 15 sports modes, blood oxygen and heart rate monitors, 5 ATM water resistance. That's very important, especially if you're going to use this for when you're working out or when you're outdoors. It has a 10-day battery life and 100 plus stylish watch faces. You can get this for 1,999 pesos. Available in DIZO and REALME stores nationwide, as well as the DIZO flagship store on Lazada, and also via authorized distributors on Shopee. I really like the box here. This box is sturdy. I love it. The watch is over here. I plan to do like a comparison of REALME Watch 1 and REALME Watch 2 and DIZO Watch 2. This is the watch, and it also comes with, of course, the manual and the charging cable. The charging cable is smaller than the ones for the other watches. This is the watch. It's a bit heavier than the REALME Watch 2, but it has almost the same strap. So it has the function button over here on the side. Just one button lang. If you want to know more about the DIZO Watch 2, please stay tuned because I have an upcoming video talking more about this, and probably another video comparing the two GoPods that I will be reviewing. Thank you for joining me in unboxing this DIZO PH products. Please check out what I wrote about these products and my soon-to-be published reviews about these products and other gadgets on my blog, Technomaria.com. And you may also ask questions, so let's get connected via social media. I'm Ria Jose on Twitter, Ria Jose on Facebook, and my video content on Facebook is at Diyosa Life. And I also have an Instagram account, Ria Jose Davao. So you can check out some of the stuff that I will be sharing through stories, photos, and videos that I will be posting on this social media accounts. If you have any questions about these products, or if you have anything specific that you want to ask about these products and other gadgets that I might be using, or maybe about REALME Tech Life and DIZO products, leave a comment down below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this with your friends, and of course, subscribe to this channel and hit on the notification bell button over here in this corner over here, so you'll be updated if I will be uploading more tech videos. Again, maraming po salamat. Thank you guys for watching. Bye! See you on my next video.